Oh no, Hitesh. Oh
What
no.
happened? Means
Uh,
our mistake went too wrong, man.
yes.
We lost our house due to
Yeah.
our mistake.
Okay, guys, welcome to Minecraft third episode.
And this episode is gonna be so interesting, and something really bad happened. Means no creeper blasted, neither we have blasted anything. But we wanted to make a new house,
But
and we removed everything, and we forgot to make it again, and we started video making other things like
okay, guys, we shifted all the chest to secret chest room, and we will show you the chest room in 3, 2, 1. Boom. So guys,
Yeah.
this is our secret chest room. We now stay here only, so we made our
we
kitchen
removed
also.
that all house also, guys, because we wanted to stay here.
Guys, we have a doubt. Please tell in comments that this map locator will work in Nether or not.
Because we don't want to waste our compass.
Actually,
If,
Hitesh,
if
we'll
it's
make
not
one more.
working. What?
We'll make one more. One more
For
map locator.
trials. And guys, today we are going to go Nether. Golden legend.
Okay,
And,
here obsidian is there, Hitesh.
Where?
Here.
Coming. First of all, we have.
I think so. This much obsidian is enough. I got 27.
So I got 20 obsidians,
Okay,
which
nice.
is more than enough. Think so.
Give it to me. Give the leather to me.
What? I'm not able to hit you.
You are disconnected or what?
No.
First, throw the leather fastly. Oh yeah. I got affected. Yeah. Fine, no problem.
I thought I would take it. Okay, no, it's okay. Sometimes disconnection is normal between network problems. Gold ingot. We can trade with that fellows now. Do you think we have to take gold?
Yeah. We need to. Okay, I made an enchanting table. We should make a room for it.
We have only one gold ingot.
Good.
Even I lost everything. God! Stones! I had more than enough.
Fine. Oh, you lost diamond pickaxe.
Yes.
You lost diamond pickaxe.
Yes, I lost.
There are more 3 diamonds. Don't make anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Just keep it in chest. And let's
Okay,
take
make one diamond pickaxe for your sake. Okay.
What?
Make a diamond pickaxe for your sake.
I didn't understand why you are telling. For your sake.
Okay, I kept the enchantment table
Where are diamonds?
in the last chest. So guys, it's my first enchantment. I'll keep it for a new iron pickaxe.
What?
First time. 3, 2, 1.
Even I am.
Boom. I got only unbreaking 3.
Wait, funds. Give me lapis lazuli.
Take from the chest.
What? Seriously? You?
I'm even enchanting my iron sword. Looting 3. Oh, whoa!
What happened? Okay, why am I? What happened?
See what enchantments I got. Looting 3, smite 4, fire aspect 2, knockback 2.
How many? Only one time? How you got this many?
We could get. If luck is nice, we could get. Come, let's go. Are you ready? Into Nether. Oh! We're in Crimson Forest, top of a tree.
What? Seriously?
So guys, I forgot to record this. We came into Nether. We built this. Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm down off you.
Oh, you're down. Shit. Okay, be careful, Hitesh. Nether means a place of hell.
Oh, I know.
Goblin is here. Come on, baby. I wanna kill you. I want some food. Now I'll get some cooked meat. See, cooked pork chop. Collect it. Nice. So Hitesh, let's go staircase
I collected
mining.
it.
Yeah. Let's go staircase mining.
Okay, wait. I have to come up. Wait.
I'll select a place.
Okay. Oh, I have silk.
You move, Hitesh.
Wait. I'm making here. You make there.
Fine.
What?
Wait, I'll show you. There's a lava! Oh my god.
God. We were about to.
No. Lava is so less.
Really, or you are just joking?
No. Just now I saw.
Silent pickaxe is so hard, man. Oh, efficiency 4.
Yeah. There's literally a pool of lava.
Where? I can't understand where to break and where not.
We can't even. No, I think so. This is the wrong place. Let's go for other place.
Why?
There's literally a lake of lava, a ocean of lava.
I catch it. Fire.
Ah!
What happened? What happened?
Because of you, I'm
Oh.
almost dead.
I kill you?
You are almost killing me.
Sorry,
Oi!
really.
There's Striders. What? There's a Strider, Saturn Strider.
Wait.
Come down. I'll push into lava.
Oh, seriously. Ah!
That much fast. Hey! Okay, fine. Hitesh, let's explore some. I want to take this wood.
You would kill me.
Nice. I did the correct thing one day. Actually,
don't want this medium.
Hitesh,
What?
if our house shouldn't be burned, we can make our house with these planks,
Which planks?
with these red color planks.
Why? What happened?
Then they won't burn. Did you understand?
Yes, I understood actually.
Now I have 14
What is this?
I have 14
No
glowstone and 10 room light.
Oh.
Fine.
Yes.
I'm mining you. What do you want to do?
Oh, slowly. I'm mining magma block.
Yeah. Even get some soul sand too.
Soul sand?
Yeah.
Where is soul sand?
Even I am mining my magma block.
Wait, where is soul sand?
I don't know. It will be in Soul Sand Valley.
Slowly.
Oh, for a second, I thought that was ancient debris. Okay, we came to the range of bedrock.
What, you already gone there?
Yeah.
Wait, I can't see. I can't even see your name tag.
I know that.
Yes, I'm coming. I can see your name tag. Oh, you're so deep, man. Wow.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Hey, move it, Ish.
Even I can beat you. Don't forget.
But don't.
Where are you? Okay. Wait, after
Move
where-
it, Ish.
Okay. Don't shout.
From here, we have to do strip mining.
Strip mining.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I am coming inside of you.
Wait a second, what is this? I got Asian debris.
Where?
Move it, Ish. It's mine. It's mine means mine.
Asian debris.
You collected it?
Yes.
No, I collected it. Yes.
Wait,
My first-
please. Any one I have to mine, isn't it? What? Why am I getting only gravel in my way?
Oh no! No! Shit, eat fast.
Why? What happened?
I fell in lava.
You fell in lava.
Means lava touched me.
What? Seriously?
Yes. I want to take them.
I love quartz.
Go marry it.
What? This should not be the answer actually.
Then what did you give the answer to me?
Side of you, okay?
Hitesh, one idea. See. Come here. Here, back. See, we will mine some a room like this. Then we could get we would have a chance to get Asian debris.
Room.
Yeah, it's like we should mine every place. Did you understand? Huh?
Oh, like a square.
Yeah. Wait, and one more. I'll tell you what is that.
Wait. Okay. I already started mining.
Where are you? Wait. Let's take
Oh!
this. What happened?
Lava.
I know. That's why I didn't went there. Come on, wait. I was doing something.
Tell me. Tell me.
See this.
What? What I have to see? Show in your hand.
Oh, wait, I'll show you.
What? Chicken.
You move.
Show me.
Move.
Crafting table. What we have to do?
A chest.
Oh, chest. I told you before only that time. Oh, campfire we can make.
Yeah. With coal. Don't waste coal.
Okay.
Keep all the nether axe. Because we could need any sometime. Keep all the main things. Even diamond pickaxe. Okay?
Okay.
Make your own chest. That crafting table is mine.
Okay.
Don't take it.
I
Don't
made
dare.
a chest. And let me make this side of this.
I think so.
Sure. Leave it to me, okay?
I think so. Hey, you collected my wood.
Good.
Yeah. This 36 are mine only.
But how I got it?
No, I threw it here. You again collected it. Yeah, give me.
Seriously? I touched on help button as if I need a help. All useless things go here. Means not really useless.
Okay. Now I could clear up my inventory. Just about I will keep some food and iron axe. Torches I need. Okay.
Even I got a crafting table.
Oh shit.
Magma block goes here.
Okay, I kept all the necessary things in there. I just
What you have kept?
all the necessary things, all things. I took just these things which I have in my inventory.
I'm keeping everything means which is not useful just now.
I wanna wait. I should Hitesh, I got an idea. If you feel dark in this netherite, go to Minecraft setting and set up brightness. Okay?
Okay.
Mine is I'll make it 100.
Okay.
Oh,
so
now
that we can't we don't
Oh, there's gravel. No, Hitesh, don't die. Hitesh, don't die. Where are you? You're all things.
seriously.
There's other cave.
Oh, I'm in overworld.
Come fast.
Seriously.
Again, boom. Again, no, it's my turn to die. I don't want to die. Oh, Hitesh, you have a serious love. Seriously, you have a worst place. I'm not gonna mine in your place.
I lost everything, I think so.
Okay, come on. Oh shit, you have to find a place. Fine.
Bro, I lost my sword.
Yeah, so sad, but We are on search of a room.
Even I lost all my netherrack.
We are
I am
making
left
a
with
room.
these. That song. Please play that song. So sad. Really
Wait.
so sad. What?
What? Oh my goodness!
Wait.
Careful that down lava shouldn't be. Yes, I got it. Let's go safely and keep this. So guys, we mined this much, and we didn't complete yet. See how much stacks we did get. Only this many.
And how about me? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I got almost 9 stacks. Fine.
And arey guys,
Oh,
seriously.
we mined this much, but we still did not got one more Asian debris. Oh god.
I want more 5 really.
5
But I don't think.
Yeah, we'll get 2 ingots, no? Nice. Okay,
But no use.
I'm gonna mine this way.
I know we are not going to get anything
Wait.
because we are useless fellow.
Wait. What did I get?
Ancient debris.
Whoa! Move it, move.
Okay, break it. Oh, at last, ancient debris again.
At least 1 ingot.
Yes.
Yay!
Did we actually complete 1 ingot?
Yeah, we completed 1 ingot.
Why are you going there?
Okay, guys, you must be shocked. We know that we mined this much, but we got only 4 Asian debris.
Seriously.
Means in this place we got only 1. Hitesh, take this.
Give me. Seriously, I want.
And you be there. You will see me. Oh shit! There's lava!
Come
No,
on!
No!
Come on!
No! My goodness! No!
You're gonna die.
Saved. Wait, is there lava? No man. I was saved. We found a new block!
What? Ancient debris! Wow! At last, I think we are going to make more ingots.
Yeah, you move. But one more. We got 5 Asian debris. So guys, you could see this damage here. I blocked the lava from there. Hitesh by mistakenly
Guys,
mistakenly broke the top one. Lava came everywhere. By panically Hitesh broke everywhere
I broke
down.
everything. Seriously.
And I have 21 TNT. I want more.
And
However,
guys, seriously, I seriously I don't know when, but I kept. I don't know when I think I didn't record.
oh TNT, yes. Watch out.
While coming, I have brought.
Asian debris.
Hey, sleep on it by keeping shield. Slowly, you can do this. Seriously.
We did not get one more Asian debris. Okay, fine, leave it. Hitesh, take out all the fire. Oh, we got one more Asian debris.
Wait.
Here. I think so. If we get one more, we could do it.
Think so. Oh. Slowly. We can't sleep in nether now.
Far, move far. Okay. Sorry guys, my recording was stopped after the TNT blowing up. So we got two more Asian debris, and we bought that safely to our overworld secret chest room. In that secret chest room, we smelted all the Asian debris. We still did not make ingots. If you want to watch the full video, please watch it this last 2 minutes. Thank you. Bye bye. And wait, what are you stopping? Like the video before going.